Good morning, students. Welcome to the second part of our video tutorial related to the MS chapter 2 of class 8. In this part, I am going to tell you about the several other topic of this chapter, and these are like what is database, what do you mean by relational database management system, and working in database. Working in database includes several other topics in itself, like creating a database, opening a database, closing and exiting a database. So we will discuss all these chapters in detail one by one. Our first topic is what is database. A database is a systematically organized or structured repository of indexed information that allows easy retrieval, updating, analysis, and output of data. I know this is little difficult language to understand. So let's talk in our simple language. What is a database? Database is nothing. It is a data structure that stores organized informations. इट मीन्स कि ऐसी कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर हो जिसमें हम अपना डेटा सेव कर सकें, दैट इज़ अ डेटाबेस. Well, it helps in storing data in a database. If you store data in your database, it becomes easy to look for what you want at some point of time. Even you can get the data sorted and updated too. Now, what is relational database management system? MS Access is a relational database management system. We all know that. But what does it actually mean? So let's discuss what does it actually means. It means that Access can store data in multiple tables which are connected by primary key. Now, what is primary key? Primary key is a field or a column with values that are uniquely throughout a table. Each table can only have one primary key. I guess it would not much clear now. So let me tell you with an example, or in a simple term, what is a primary key and what is a relational database management system. So here I have drawn three tables, table 1, table 2 and table 3. Table 1 has the customer name along with customer ID. Table 2 has product ID with product name. Table 3 has order number, customer ID, product ID, rate and quantity. Now, what are these? In table 1, I am assigning customer ID as primary key as it has to be unique for each record. Table 2. In table 2, we have product ID as primary key. Now, what is table 3? Table 3 has all the details related to that customer ID and product ID according to the order number. So, what is going to do that? Whenever we create a table like this, it automatically picks the data from the table 1 and table 2 and fetch all the details as per your requirement. So this is the kind of thing which show relation between the following tables. So in MS Access we can relate each and every table as per our requirement. That's why it is based on relational database management system. Hope it clears much better now. Our next topic is working in database. Now, what do you mean by working in database? It means like how to create a new database, how to open an existing database. Existing database means you already have a database in your MS Access application and you want to open it. So, how would you locate it? So, this covers this thing. Last is closing and exiting a database. That means closing a data, there is a slight difference between closing and exiting. Closing means you are closing out the database, and exiting means you are completely out of MS Access application. So we'll go one by one in little detail. First is creating a new database. Now, what are the steps to follow it? Like as always said, go to the startup button, all programs in MS Office in Microsoft Office Access 2007. It will open a window like this one. Yeah, you need to create on blank database and then the create button. It will open a blank database for you. So this is the steps to create a new database in MS Access. Next is opening an existing database. Opening an existing database means you have already database in your MS Access application and you want to open it whenever you want, or in the mid of doing something you want to relate, you want to see what is there in the other database. So that is the option through which you can open an existing database. Simply click the office button, a menu appears, then click open. Locate the folder where you have stored the database, select the database name and click open. Now, or there is a shortcut of the same for this thing too, and that is Control O. Control O is the shortcut of opening a database. Whenever you click on Control O, a dialog box of open a database will come. Next is closing and exiting a database. As I said earlier, closing is like closing out the current database, and exiting a database means you are completely out of the MS Access application. So there's a little difference between them. For closing a database, you just simply need to click on the cross button given at the top right hand corner of the MS Access database. If you simply click on that, it will close out the database where you are currently working on. And to exit the database, what you need to do, click on the MS Office button, a menu appears, and you just simply need to click exit access and you can get completely out of the MS Access application. This is the exiting a database. Please go through this video twice or thrice for better learning and ask your doubts if you have. I would love to solve your doubts and queries. Thank you. See you in the